digital magic.
I've had a good chuckle over that one. I'm coming after you.
Hola, Masters. Al fin tenemos la Repollo Caster. ¡Vamos allá, Master! ¡Un poco de caña! ¡Vamos, caña, Master! Te digo yo que en un momento dado le podéis hablar al repollo que sirve de micrófono, Master.
Hey, pro tip for those annoying times where you run into metric hardware, you can actually use a 3A socket and it loosely converts over to about a 10 millimeter. This is America, so if that doesn't work, you can just pull out the 9mm.
Say what now? I'ma just roll over your toes.
You want to fight the chicken?
SpongeBob.
This is a platypus.
That tape is probably the best invention ever. I mean, you can tape your door shut, and you can even tape a hole in the wall. You can even tape your phone to the wall.
You know what? Fuck all of God!
George, that's not the muddy puddles you're jumping in. That's Daddy Pig's shit.
Are you kidding me? Nothing gets past my bow.
Does anybody ever think, like, why do British people lose their accent when they sing?
Can you imagine if we didn't lose his accent? Like, I'm from Yorkshire, imagine how that's gonna sound. Shorty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out, got me singing like na 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 every
We'll now begin the push-up section. Ready? Begin. Down.
I am your father! Well, your sister is dead!
I've been searching for a job. Hello again. Take me back.
Where is it?
The night we met.
I
I'm Steve.
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 I
Rapunzel, let down your hair.
Fuck you, bitch.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take.
This is the good stuff. Huh? Are these acacia logs yours? What? Acacia logs. Acacia? Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Acacia?
Acacia?
It's okay.
You are so cute!
It's okay.
Acacia sounds more. I say acacia.
Acacia.
Oh my god, acacia. Yes, acacia.
Acacia. No. It's okay. I mean, I pronounce iron as iron. It's supposed to be, what was it?
You weirdo, it's just iron.
Iron? Yeah, that's weird. I'm gonna say iron. It's okay. Keep saying acacia. I will stick with iron. Acacia.
You can have it. Take as much as you need. I took it from Coney, so you can have it.
Oh, you took it from the
guys.
Really? Really?
Really?
Really?
Really?
Really?
Really?
Release the eagle.
Release the what?
To fucking. I will now show you fucking a beautiful village situated on the doorstep of the Austrian Alps. The villagers I've spoken to all share the same love for fucking.
Yes.
Fucking may be enjoyed in various angles. Straightforward, from behind, standing up, or lying down. And last but not least, it's very enjoyable in the air. Historically, fucking was mostly popular amongst men, but during the 20th century, women have also come to love fucking. One of the reasons being the growing of fruits and vegetables, such as bananas, cucumbers, and perhaps corn. Behold the fucking church. Of course, Catholic, with the priest currently away taking up a missionary position in Congo. Here we have the fucking school, where the fucking children learn everything there is to know about fucking. Ihr geht's in der Schule?
Yeah, zusammen.
Zusammen. I must say, I more and more enjoy fucking children. They are really polite and so innocent. Sehr schön. And this is the special fucking farm, where if you spend enough, you can rent your very own fucking horse. Oh, look at the black one. Such a stallion. Beautiful animals. And here, a woman who prefers fucking outside with the family dog. And I was lucky enough to meet the town mayor, commonly known as the motherfucker. If you're looking for the deepest fucking experience, I recommend this hole right here. Start with putting 2 fingers in. If possible, use your entire fist. In summertime, you can actually go elbow deep. It is a bit dirty, and it smells quite peculiar, but afterwards you'll reap the rewards of feeling this fantastic fucking soil. And that was all the fucking we had time for, but make sure you'll stay tuned also next week when we'll be visiting Sakatik, a rural village in the Czech Republic. This has been Nikolai Ram reporting for NRK. Bye bye.
Okay. I'll try it out. Plug your ears, okay? Attention, everyone! I have a bomb!
Oh wow, we're at the front of the line now.
Wow! I love this video.
I hate this video.
Hey! Take that back.
Oh, I forgot you had that.
You know what? Give it back. No, not it. That. Take it back.
There it is.
Thanks for that.
Dashing through the snow in my rusty Chevrolet. Down the road I go, sliding all the way. I need new piston rings, I need some new snow tires. My car is held together by a piece of chicken wire. Oh, rust and smoke, the heater's broke, the door just flew away. I light a match to see the dash, and then I start to pray. The frame is bent, the muffler went, the radio, it's okay. Oh, what fun it is to drive this rusty Chevy.
I more and more enjoy fucking children.
Hi, my name's Katrina. And my name is Hugh. I'm Sarah. I'm Emma.
Scary fact number 67. There is a France.
Recognize this melody?
Where's the lamb sauce? There's just nothing coming together. Where's the lamb sauce? Where's the fucking mashed potato? Where's the other beef? I asked for 2 beef. Where's the beef? Where's the beef? You've stopped. You've given up. You're setting the place on fire, and you're sending me raw fish. But it's fucking cold. It's fucking raw. I've never seen such fucking flames for a gnocchi. You're not really a chef, are you? You're just a show girl with a big feather coming out your ass. Are they ever cooked?
It's not mine.
It's not mine. How dare you? It's just come back from the table.
Oh, okay.
Shut it down. Get the fuckers out. Let's go. Where's the fucking garnish? You're just in a little world of your own. Where's the lamb sauce? There's just nothing coming together. Where's the lamb sauce? Where's the fucking mashed potato? Where's the other beef? I asked for 2 beef. Where's the beef? Where's the beef?
Yes, sir.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. I asked for 2 beef. Where's the beef? Where's the beef?
Yes, sir.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. I asked for 2 beef. Where's the beef? Where's the beef?
What the fuck did you say?
Oh no! Oh God!
Fun fact. Which of the following DQ fun facts is completely true? Is it A? Dairy Queen's frozen soft serve technically doesn't qualify as ice cream. B. Dairy Queen was originally called Dairy King but had to change its name after a legal battle with Burger King. Or C. In 1973, Dairy Queen founder John McCullough admitted to having sex multiple times with a horse and loved every second of it. The answer is A, because of the butterfat content. If you chose C, what the fuck is wrong with you? And if you chose B, why didn't you double down and choose C?
Beep! 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 Shut up! Stay on the bike! Oh my God!
We hate trucks. I'm Ivan. My stepmom told me to stop tickling my little brother's feet. She said wait till he's born. Bro, what the fuck? Just pulled over this loser, blasting music in there. Hey, where's your green card? Where's your chicken? We're cops. Of course people call us pigs. I'm Ivan. I give blind kids a gun and tell them it's a blow dryer. Bro, what the
I'm Osama Bin Laden! Please! I must touch your butthole!
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take.
Do you have perks?
is. This is Ju Yuen, a public security officer. She's among the best in criminal investigations. Assuming no surprises, she's ready to handle anything that comes her way.
Sorry, we don't handle traffic. All right, leave it to me.
My cat got stuck up there. My cat's like
Oh, here come the surprises.
Gotta save it.
Here you go. I copy. I'll be right there.
Guys.
Really? Really?
Really?
Really?
Really?
Really?
Really?
Release the eagle.
Release the what?
I can take you to around me and win the I can't make you. I can't make.
It was too late. Oh shit, said Henry. Henry the freight engine became Henry the bomb train. Meanwhile, on the other side of the island... Oh dear, said Thomas.